What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who are already subscribed, you already know what it is. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. What you can find here are talks about maca root extract to be exact, how to gain/maintain weight, product reviews, skincare hacks, skincare product reviews, products that I've tried and I've absolutely loved, and those that I've not loved as much. Kojic acid soap, how to grow longer hair, specifically 4C hair, protective styles for 4C hair, much more, motivational words, just how to glow the heck up in general. Alright, let's get into it. Speaking of glowing up, y'all, first of all, let's talk about it. I got the keys. I have found that, and I've talked about it before, but staying hydrated, okay, will have you out cheer. And literally this entire week I have gone in on tea. One specifically is the rose hip. Okay, rose hip tea. Listen to me. I said I'm not playing any games. When I say I was going in, I'm talking about up to 3 cups per day. Sometimes more. Every time I had a craving for any type of sweet drink, any type of sweet soda, anything carbonated, I said, wait a minute, which honestly, let me explain that. I keep water and tea in my crib. Water and tea. But it just so happened that, you know, once you get a little sip of soda, Sprite or something like that, I talked about it before, then you constantly crave it. To curb that craving, every time I had that craving, I said, nah. What we gonna do is drink some tea. Seldom did I even add honey to my tea. Sometimes I did, the Nate's, raw and organic, but most of the time, no. I just drank the straight up tea. But you have to understand, with most of the teas, there's a natural flavor anyway. The rose hips tea has a natural sweetish taste to it. So honestly, even without the honey, I was good. Y'all, I don't know if you can see it, but I see a difference in my skin texture. I see a difference in the overall glow. You know how I feel about an overall glow. Let's talk about the maca root. I have been going in with that as well, and I have been adding it to my smoothies, as y'all know. Okay, so what I've been doing is literally going in on smoothies and tea this week. My cycle is on. I'm sorry if that's TMI for some people, but even with that, I haven't had any crazy breakout. I got like a pimple or so over here, and literally it went away like this. I said, you know what? And I've just been making sure to be consistent in properly moisturizing, properly washing off makeup, all of that. I'm talking about like a few times. Don't just wash off one time, but go in a few times until you see nothing at all on your cloth. Okay? Look, I'm out here. And of course, again, taking breaks and not wearing it every single day. I'm talking about foundation and whatnot. Eye makeup and lip gloss or lipstick or whatever, that is nothing to me. That can be worn, whatever, but I just try not to do the foundation every day. But even with the foundation on, y'all, and if I ever showed you all how I put on my makeup, which I might one day, if I told you even how I did it today, I know I'm not a pro or anything like that, but y'all would be like, wait, hold up, what? It's something else that I found, just, I don't know. It causes me not to break out as much. We'll talk about it another time. But anyway, I'm loving it. To make a long story short, so the question is, because I've been rambling, the question is, do you have to use maca every day, or do you have to take it every day? I don't. Even 3 days out of the week is fine. If you feel like you want it and need it more than that and you want to do every day, cool. But a way to have your maca just last a little bit longer and still give you that energy, that boost and whatnot, and still help you able to maintain out here, 3 days a week is absolutely fine. It really, really is. You don't need to overdo that. That's what I wanted to say. I'm out here. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for joining the squad. Thank y'all for joining the squad here on TikTok. Why do I always want to say TikTok? here on TikTok and on IG. Okay, I appreciate you all so very much. The products that I am wearing, the products that I have been using, including the real Kojic Acid Ultimate Illuminating Bar, you can find via Modestly Lavish Store. That is my online shop. And yes, I do include free gifts with your purchase. I appreciate you. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll holla. Peace.